Welcome to Charlotte, North Carolina, and thank you for visiting my site. My name is Sunny Yates, and I've been a real estate professional for the past 8 years. I specialize in the Charlotte and Lake Norman market. I have lived in the Charlotte area for the past 14 years, and I've really enjoyed the area. First of all, the weather is great, it is a friendly environment, and the cost of living is very much affordable. And we also have a great international airport that is very easy to access. And not to mention a great uptown Charlotte, which offers an exciting urban lifestyle. Overall, the Charlotte market offers a wide variety of homes with great schools and great golf communities at a very much affordable prices. If you are looking to relocate to the Charlotte, North Carolina area, I can assist you in determining the advantages of all the areas of Charlotte, such as which counties are offering low property taxes, the different school ratings, and the different communities' features. So whether you're looking for the perfect family environment to raise your children, or whether you're looking for the ultimate waterfront retirement home on Lake Norman or Lake Wylie, I can definitely help you find the perfect area that would best fit your lifestyle. So please call my cell phone or fill out the contact form on the website, and I will get in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you for visiting my site again, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.